You know exactly what you need to do. The task in front of you isn't even that difficult. But the moment you try to sit down and start, the physical heaviness hits your body. Your chest tightens, your brain fogs up, and starting feels literally, physically painful. So, you walk away. You clean your room. You scroll on your phone to escape the feeling. Society calls this laziness. But in neuroscience, this is a recognized biological phenomenon. Welcome to the science of executive dysfunction, activation energy, and why your brain avoids effort. Let's break down the exact brain mechanics of why task initiation feels so impossible. Your brain is constantly running a subconscious cost-benefit analysis in a region called the basal ganglia. When a task lacks an immediate dopamine reward, the brain calculates that the energy cost is too high. To stop you from wasting precious energy, it triggers a genuine biological stress response. Brain imaging studies show that anticipating a difficult task activates the anterior insula, which is the exact same brain network that lights up when you experience actual physical pain. You aren't imagining it. Your brain is generating a pain signal to protect you from cognitive friction. Understanding this changes everything. You cannot fight biology with pure willpower. Willpower relies on the prefrontal cortex, which depletes rapidly when fighting a neurological pain signal. Instead of trying to force your way through a biological brick wall, you have to bypass the pain center entirely by manipulating your brain's activation energy. Here is the science-backed protocol to hack your executive function and initiate any task. Protocol 1, the activation energy drop. You must trick your basal ganglia. Lower the barrier to entry so much that the brain registers the energy cost as absolute zero. Do not commit to working for an hour. Commit to opening the document and typing one single sentence. The anterior insula will not trigger a pain response for one single sentence. Protocol 2. Externalize your executive function. When your prefrontal cortex is exhausted, relying on internal motivation will fail every time. You must move the trigger to the physical world. Use visual cues to bypass the brain. Leave the textbook open on your keyboard the night before. Remove all steps between you and the work. When the physical friction is zero, the neurological friction drops with it. Protocol 3, the 5-minute bridge. Dopamine is not just a reward. It is the neurochemical that physically sustains action. Once you push past the 5-minute mark of a task, dopamine begins to flow naturally. The physical pain of starting disappears, replaced entirely by the momentum of doing. Laziness is a myth. What you are experiencing is a highly evolved energy preservation system. Stop using guilt to motivate yourself. It only increases your cortisol and makes starting harder. Lower the activation energy. Trick the pain center. And just start for 5 minutes. You can rewire this. I'll see you in the next one.